right, we wanted to show you what it actually looked like and what happened when you took out that $10,000 loan. So when I log into my portal, remember this is the policy that we took the loan out on. What you see now is an outstanding loan balance. What you'll see here is this is your requested loan amount, including the pre-calculated interest due up until your next policy anniversary date. And that is prorated. And we'll have Nash kind of show you the details on that, but that's what that number is. So don't get thrown off of, hey, I requested a 10,000. Why is it 10,280? The other thing I wanted to highlight is that your cash value will remain unchanged when you take out a loan. What's really being collateralized is your death benefit. So you'll see a drop in that. Now let's go over making a payment for your loan. This is for a loan payment. As we all really emphasize is that when taking out a loan, we do highly recommend you at least pay that debt servicing. So they have a feature in here, and this is, I believe, relatively a recent feature. So you're able to do an auto pay just for your debt servicing. Under auto pay, you'll have just the loan interest, and you're able to just set up an auto payment of that. In this case, it would take out that $280 on the date you prescribe. And this includes my policy anniversary date is July 21st, and it includes some grace period on there. So you could choose a date. Just for the safetiness of it, I always would do it prior to your policy anniversary date. So you could set up auto pay date of just the interest rate again with your bank account and set that up. In this case, instead of the auto payment, a direct payment, you click on make payments up here, choose your policy. In this case, it's this policy. And then this screen will pop up. Now, some people are getting thrown off because when you see this loan payoff, you see this number, 10,644, which is different than the 10,280. And that's purely because this number is taking into account the actual days of actual interest for your outstanding loan. Because we only have a few days of the outstanding balance, it's $6.44 is what the true interest owed on that loan is. So you can choose to pay the entire amount off, or in this case, I'll just choose to pay $500. And again, I know that the interest only was $280, but I have some capital, so I'll pay the $500. What this will do, and we'll show it in the follow-on video, is it'll rebate. Again, it's taking off. When I make this payment, it's actually not paying the interest, it's paying the balance. And so it'll reduce my loan balance, which then on your policy anniversary date, any old interest will get added now to that, any outstanding balance. So I'll make a loan payment, then take you to which bank account to use, and that's it. And it'll be processed. And we'll come back and show how that looks like in the actual portal once it's processed. It'll take a business day to process